Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Nvidia. We initially published a report on our website on Wednesday, January 3, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 2, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a sell candidate, scoring it at -4.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of -1.24% in value. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.62% since it was marked as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong and upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 12.83% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 6.30% to 26.28%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a substantial change of 167.53% over the next year, with a possible return between 162.02% and 205.71%. This translates to a price range of $1,246.40 to $1,454.22 after 12 months. Our latest update on Nvidia reveals that the stock price ended at $475.69 on Wednesday, after experiencing a loss of 1.24%. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, the Nvidia stock price fell by 1.24%, dropping from $481.68 to $475.69. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.83%, reaching a low of $473.20 and a high of $481.84. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 5 of them, resulting in a decrease of 5.01% over this period. It's noteworthy that the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. The trading volume dropped by 9 million shares on the last day, with a total of 32 million shares being bought and sold, equating to approximately $15.13 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for Nvidia stock was $505.48, while the lowest was $140.34. Currently, the stock price is 5.89% or $29.79 below the 52-week high of $505.48, which also happens to be the all-time high for Nvidia stock. Analyst ratings. On Monday, December 11, 2023, Cowen & Company gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, KeyBank gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we'll discuss the signals that have been identified for Nvidia. Firstly, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative forecast for Nvidia. If the stock experiences corrections and moves upwards, it will face resistance from the price lines at $489.01 and $483.12. Breaking above these levels would generate buy signals. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 5.63% decrease in the stock price. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is established. It's worth noting that volume fell with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's currently showing a buy signal. Pivots, it gave a sell signal 30 days ago. Bollinger Bands, it gave a buy signal 36 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, it gave a sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, it also gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it gave a buy signal 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. Short Moving Average, it gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, it gave a buy signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it gave a buy signal 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. When it comes to support levels, Nvidia has two key levels to watch out for. Just below today's price, there is support at $439.38 and $421.96. Support levels are important because they indicate a level where buying interest is strong, potentially preventing the stock from falling further. However, if the current support level is broken, the stock may drop to the next support level. Moving on to risk, it's important to consider the potential downside. Currently, Nvidia carries a medium level of risk. This means that there is some inherent uncertainty in the stock's performance. However, with good trading volume and average movements during the day, the risk is manageable. In terms of volatility, over the last day, Nvidia had a price range of $8.64 or 1.83% between the high and low. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.02%. This information can be helpful in assessing the stock's potential for short-term price swings. Before we dive into potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's first cover some important fundamental data. One of the key metrics to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong future growth. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's important to closely monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be looking at potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If the stock price continues to rise, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $487.16. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. For those who already have a position, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock price starts to decline, the first support level to keep an eye on is at $439.38. If the price holds above this support level, it could present a potential entry point for traders expecting a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 18, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 20,000 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hudson Dawn E. sold 1,000 shares of common stock. On December 18, 2023, Stevens Mark A. sold 255,500 shares of common stock. On December 18, 2023, Stevens Mark A. bought 255,500 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Stevens Marque sold 6,872 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -30.181. Overall, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 846,823 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? While the Nvidia stock has shown some positive trends, there are also several negative signals that suggest it may perform weakly in the near future. However, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, January 4th, we anticipate that Nvidia will open up $1.22 and begin trading at $476.91. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please do not solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Leave a comment below and share your opinion. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope you have a successful trading journey and a wonderful day. Best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.